So I'm having some valve cover fitment issues. Of course, when you do an aftermarket cylinder head, coupled with Chinese valve covers, you're gonna have fitment issues. I have the upper bolts in, and when the upper bolt's in, the bottom bolt holes will line up. So the valve cover will bolt on, but the problem with that is it doesn't fit the cylinder head properly. The valve cover is actually shifted back and up some so it doesn't seat on the lip of the head properly. So what that does is it puts this kind of gasket in a bad position because it actually sits on the lip where this gasket does not fit past that lip. So that gasket won't work. So I either have to shave off this lip or try to hog out these bolt holes to try to get the valve cover to move around and sit on there. So I got a bit of an issue trying to do that. The problem is in order to hog out the bolt holes, I have to worry about these long bolts, which they have some play in them. I could do a little bit of work to it, but it's not really gonna be an easy thing to do. Or I can shave the lip off and buy the good solid core valve cover gaskets that are, the good plastic or the rubber with the metal ring in them, and run those and just shave that lip off. So I don't know, that's my dilemma right now. Gonna try to figure out which way I wanna go and see if I can make it work. Kids, don't try this at home. This is how you machine the lip off of a Chinesium valve cover. That's got a very important sticker on it. Cardboard, rags, clamps, and because it was wobbling 2 hands. Yep, OSHA would not be happy.